No, he's had it. Just when you might have thought we were getting through the winter without too much trouble, down came the blizzard. This is what it was like in Kent, to give only one example of the sort of weather that swept most of the country. Roads were badly affected by snow and ice, and of course motor traffic got into difficulties in many places. While this sort of thing was going on along the roads and lanes of the countryside, many villages were completely cut off by the sudden snowfall and freeze-up. Naturally, the weather was a boon to winter sports enthusiasts, and Hampstead Heath became a regular St. Moritz for Londoners. The sport may not have been quite up to Olympic standard, but it was obviously very good fun just the same. In the south, many people had the same idea, but these two, among others, ran into a bit of trouble on their way to enjoy some winter sports on the downs. Snow ploughs were out, as well as bulldozers. This one's on the job on the Devil's Dyke Road. And here are the four brave men of Brighton. Their ages, incidentally, range from 15 to 63. Accustomed to go for a swim on Sunday, they saw no reason why they should give it up just because a bit of snow had fallen. They said it was much warmer in than out. Even so, they had to come out sometime, of course. Anyway, rather them than me. On February